Today we're going to be testing the power and strength and accuracy of a $1 BB gun. We have a piece of paper for accuracy. I'm going to shoot from here, a keyboard, a piece of wood, and a bin of plastic just to see if it can make a hole. It goes about 200 feet per second. I'm just going to shoot at the box. Like nothing. Right there. Here's how you load it. Alright guys, so this is a break barrel BB gun, and I'm going to show you how to load it. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure the safety's on, and it is on. That's the safety. That's off, that's on. And all you have to do is just break it, put it back up, grab a BB, and load it into there. Push that back and shoot it. Alright. Hello. That is the thing about this cheap BB gun. It has its flaws. Sometimes the BB will just fall out of the barrel. Alright, let's go see. That is not bad accuracy. We hit bullseye and a little bit right of the bullseye. We're just going to shoot the keyboard once just because I only brought a certain amount of BBs in my pocket. Alright, let's see the keyboard damage. We hit the T right on the edge. Alright, we good. Go. Did it fall out the end of the barrel again? That's the thing about these cheap BB guns. You never know what happens. Alright, let's look. It hit right there. Right there. So. Am I impressed?
No.
This thing is like the worst thing ever, and I did get it for free. And I'm just saying it's $1 because that's like the quality it is. I mean, it's all beat up and it says put oil right here for some reason, and BBs fall out the end of the barrel. It's not the best thing that you could have. I'd definitely prefer a Glock if I had to choose between the two. So, that's all I got for you guys today. See you next video. Maybe we'll be surviving in the woods next time.